Hey guys, for this video I thought we'd take a look at the Cadillac of socket organization, these Olsa tools, socket rails. They're really well made and incredibly versatile. I noticed people have all sorts of questions on different configurations and stuff because really you can do just about any with these things. So I want to go through a bunch of the specifics that people may have questions on, and we'll kind of go from there. So here I have the 1/4-inch socket set, rail set, the 3/8 drive, and the 1/2-inch drive. They also make a 3/4-inch drive, but I don't have many of those sockets, so it wasn't worth getting that rail. You can get them in different colors. You can buy it as a 3-piece set, or you can buy it individually. You can also buy additional little tab socket holders. Now as we take a look at, say, the 1/4-inch one, you have a slotted hole on either end, so it can hang on like a pegboard, hang it on a wall, whatever you want to do. And these rubber caps come off. So you can also buy the rubber caps separately if you want. And the slide, you can slide it completely off. You can even put it on upside down if you wanted. I mean, everyone else has different configurations, so I'm not exactly sure how many people would want to put it in upside down, but if you wanted like metric on one side and SAE on the other, hey, maybe you'd want to do that. So you can slide it upside down if you want. Also, notice that the bar is aluminum, the holders are ABS plastic, but this bar is the same completely throughout. I guess you can see better on the back side. So if for whatever reason this didn't fit in your toolbox, these are about 17 inches long, and each one is the exact same. If for whatever reason it didn't fit where you want to put it, you could cut it down and then just slide the rubber cap back over your cut spot. So we also want to measure the width, because I'm sure people are going to ask that at some point. So the width at the bar itself, a little bit under 1 inch, and then at the ABS plastic holder, you can see we are just over 1 inch. And these are all interchangeable. So if I wanted, I could mix and match my 3/8 and my 1/4-inch sockets on a rail. So you can slide the 3/8 on there, you can slide the 1/2-inch on there. So I said, really versatile on what you may want to do with these things. So when you buy these, the 1/4-inch, you get 24 socket holders. 3/8, you get 18 holders. And 1/2-inch drive, you get 16 holders. Also, did I mention they come in a bunch of different colors? So maybe you want to have your blues one color, metric, your reds, SAE, or they have green. They have tons of different colors, but you could use that as another way of organizing. So here I have a 3/8 drive 8mm socket. You can see it snaps on really well. You can pick up the whole thing. Of course, it's not very heavy with only one socket, but just to show you, it holds it really well. You can still slide it around if you had to make space to get in there. Each of these rails are going to add 1/2 inch to the height of your socket. So if you're measuring to see if it'll fit in a drawer or wherever you're going, just know that you're adding 1/2 inch of height to whatever sockets you have. Now here I loaded up the 1/2-inch drive rail with these impact sockets, and notice I had to take off one of the sliders and the rubber cap's not on anymore, so nothing's holding this side, which is fine unless you go to move it and you could just lose everything. Of course, these are impact sockets, so they might take up a little bit more space than like a chrome socket, but I did have to take one off. I couldn't fit all of them on there. So even though it comes with 16, depending on what you're putting on there, you might not fit 16 sockets on. So you can see how easy it is still to move. All right, so I wanted to also see, I mean, it holds them on there pretty good. So if you carry your sockets with your tool bag or something, even that rubber end didn't fall off. Let's see if we can get that rubber end to fall off. Oh, the rubber end I'm holding on to fell off. Probably more my problem than its problem. So they're really secure. I'm telling you, these are really nice organizers. So there it is, your Olsa tools, socket rails, socket organizers. Thanks for watching, guys.